Yeah.
You know, when we first started OSH in 2018, it was going to be kind of a side hustle. It quickly morphed into something a lot bigger than that. We moved to this 55,000 square foot facility in Utah back in 2024, and it took us 2 years to suddenly run out of space because demand was growing that fast, and we realized we needed to expand, and it was either move to a bigger factory here in Utah or opening up a new facility. And it became obvious it needs to be a new facility so we can serve everybody better. We are very excited to announce that our second factory, OSH East, will be located in Cincinnati. Cincinnati is a great location because it gives us 1 to 2 day ground proximity to the vast majority of our customers. It'll accelerate shipping times and decrease costs for our customers by a lot. Just want to thank our customers, especially the ones east of the Mississippi. You wouldn't think when you're looking for a metal fab shop that people are going to look at Utah and say, yeah, I want to order from those guys. But it is a massive percentage of our business, and we appreciate you giving us a chance, even though we're across the country. Now we hope to be right in your backyard. We'll get you parts faster and maintain that positive experience that you've come to expect from OSH.